unang date niyo?
For me, dating is knowing her. What he want, what she want, what she doesn't want, and what kind he have that attitude. She have attitude. Sa dating kasi yan eh, marami na rin kasi ako na date eh. Kapag hindi ko gusto, yun, lalabas ng pera. Pero pagka gusto ko, talagang inigrip ko sila agad.